The action camera industry has witnessed remarkable advancements in recent years, with both DJI and GoPro continuously raising the bar for innovation and functionality, as DJI prepares to disrupt the 360-degree camera market with the Osmo 360, Insta360 is under increased pressure to respond with groundbreaking offerings of its own. Amidst this competitive landscape, the Insta360 X5, while still in its conceptual stage, is generating significant buzz among content creators and adventure enthusiasts. With exciting rumours and tantalising speculations surrounding the X5, let's take a deeper dive into what this anticipated model could bring to the table. One of the areas where Insta360 appears to be making significant strides is in addressing the durability of its camera lenses. The X4 featured removable lens guards, providing basic protection similar to UV filters used on traditional cameras. However, the X5 is rumoured to take this further with innovative lens protection that ensures the safety of its protruding lenses without compromising the camera's ability to capture immersive 360-degree footage. The unique, rounded design of 360-degree camera lenses makes them particularly susceptible to scratches and damage. Replacing these lenses can be costly and technically challenging, which has been a pain point for many users. By integrating robust protective measures, Insta360 could significantly enhance the X5's usability and appeal to those who frequently shoot in challenging outdoor environments. Striking the right balance between robust protection and maintaining the sleek, portable form factor that made the X4 so popular will undoubtedly be key to the X5's success. The rumoured performance enhancements of the X5 have already generated considerable excitement. One of the most significant upgrades could be a larger sensor, with the X5 moving from the X4's 0.5-inch sensor to a 1-inch sensor. This change would enable the X5 to capture more light, thereby improving low-light performance and overall image quality. While the X4 can already capture 22-megapixel images in 360-degree modes and 18 megapixels in directional mode, the new sensor could push these capabilities to even greater heights, providing sharper, more detailed visuals that meet the demands of professional creators. Another rumoured enhancement is in audio quality, historically a weak spot for many action cameras. Modern smartphones like the iPhone 16 have raised the bar with AI-powered noise cancellation and smart audio technologies, and the X5 is expected to follow suit. If these audio improvements materialise, they could revolutionise sound recording for action cameras, ensuring clarity even in challenging conditions like windy mountaintops or bustling urban environments. This would make the X5 a more versatile tool for creators who require excellent audio alongside stunning visuals. Another exciting rumour surrounding the X5 is the potential inclusion of GPS tracking. This feature, recently introduced on the GoPro Hero 13, allows users to geo-stamp their photos and videos, adding a new dimension to adventure content. For travel vloggers, outdoor enthusiasts and creators aiming to tell compelling visual stories, GPS tracking would enable them to map their journeys, create immersive timelines, and provide more engaging content for their audiences. Adding GPS tracking to the X5 would not only enhance its functionality, but also position it as a tool for professional-grade storytelling. By integrating this feature, Insta360 could appeal to a broader range of users, from hardcore adventurers to everyday hobbyists looking to elevate their content. One common drawback of action cameras is their tendency to overheat during extended high-definition recording sessions, leading to interruptions and reduced reliability. The X5 is rumoured to incorporate an advanced cooling mechanism, potentially inspired by the enhanced heatsink design of the GoPro Hero 13. This innovation could ensure more efficient thermal management, enabling longer recording sessions without the risk of overheating. In addition, the X5 is expected to feature improved power efficiency, reducing the frequency of battery replacements during extended shoots. These upgrades would make the X5 a more dependable device for capturing long-form content, whether it's a sports event, an adventure, or everyday moments. Such improvements would undoubtedly increase its appeal to creators seeking reliability in diverse and demanding environments. While official pricing details remain speculative, industry analysts predict that the X5 will maintain a competitive price point, likely ranging between $499 and $599. This strategic pricing would position it favourably against competitors like GoPro and new entrants like DJI's Osmo 360. Insta360's ability to balance cutting-edge features with an accessible price tag will be critical in maintaining its leadership in the 360-degree camera market. The Insta360 X5 stands on the precipice of transforming the 360-degree camera market with its rumoured features and enhancements. From superior lens protection to advancements in sensor technology, audio quality and GPS tracking, the X5 could be the game changer that content creators and adventure enthusiasts have been waiting for. If these speculations prove accurate, the X5 will set a new benchmark for action cameras, providing users with a tool that marries durability, performance and innovation seamlessly. One of the most exciting aspects of the X5 is its potential to address long-standing user concerns while introducing next-level features. For instance, the rumoured 1-inch sensor could dramatically improve image quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions, allowing creators to capture breathtaking visuals in both daylight and low-light environments. This is a crucial step forward for 360-degree cameras, as creators increasingly demand professional-grade performance without sacrificing portability. Audio improvements are another significant area where the X5 might excel. Historically, action cameras have struggled to deliver clear, high-quality sound in challenging environments. By potentially integrating AI-powered noise cancellation and enhanced microphones, Insta360 could elevate the audio recording game, enabling users to capture immersive soundscapes alongside stunning visuals. This would be particularly beneficial for travel vloggers, extreme sports enthusiasts and professionals who rely on their gear to deliver top-notch results in unpredictable conditions. The addition of GPS tracking could also be a game changer, especially for adventure enthusiasts and travel content creators. By enabling users to geotag their footage and create detailed timelines of their journeys, the X5 could transform how stories are told through video. GPS integration would add a new layer of functionality, making the X5 not just a camera, but a comprehensive storytelling tool that caters to the needs of modern creators. In terms of reliability, the X5's rumoured advancements in heat management and power efficiency could make it a standout in the market. Overheating has long been a challenge for action cameras during extended shoots, often leading to interruptions that disrupt creative workflows. If Insta360 successfully implements efficient thermal management and reduces power consumption, the X5 could become a go-to device for those who require dependable performance in demanding environments, from the slopes of a snowy mountain to the sweltering heat of a desert. However, the X5's success is not guaranteed. Competition in the action camera market is fierce, with DJI's Osmo 360 poised to enter the fray and GoPro continuing to innovate with models like the Hero 13. To maintain its edge, Insta360 must deliver on the X5's rumoured features without compromising on the user experience or accessibility. Pricing will also play a pivotal role. While the $499 to $599 range seems competitive, users will expect significant value for their investment, especially with such strong competitors vying for attention. Beyond the features and specifications, what truly sets Insta360 apart is its history of innovation and commitment to user-centric design. The company has consistently delivered products that resonate with both professionals and hobbyists, and the X5 has the potential to continue that legacy. If Insta360 can pull off even a majority of the rumoured upgrades, alongside retaining the intuitive design and editing features of the X4, it could redefine what's possible with 360-degree cameras. Yet, the X5's journey will ultimately hinge on how well Insta360 balances innovation with practicality. Features like lens protection, GPS tracking, and better audio are enticing, but the challenge lies in executing these improvements without adding complexity or bulk to the camera. Users appreciate simplicity and reliability, and Insta360 must ensure that the X5 aligns with these expectations while pushing the envelope in terms of technology. For now, all eyes are on Insta360 as we await official announcements about the X5. The rumours paint an exciting picture, but it remains to be seen whether the company can deliver on the high expectations surrounding this new model. If they succeed, the X5 could solidify Insta360's position as a leader in the 360-degree camera market, offering a device that is versatile enough for professionals while remaining accessible to hobbyists. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or a casual adventurer, the X5's rumoured features suggest it could be the perfect companion for capturing life's most extraordinary moments. Its potential to combine advanced technology with ease of use makes it a product to watch closely. Until its release, we'll keep our fingers crossed that Insta360 delivers on the promise of this exciting new camera. What do you think about the Insta360 X5? Are you excited about the rumoured features, or do you think it's a tall order for Insta360 to fulfill? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on the latest innovations in the tech world. With the X5, the future of 360-degree cameras could very well be just around the corner.